Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to make your own half-caste whitening face cream. Please do not mind the fact that I'm not wearing my glove. I just have to quickly do this. However, please, when you want to do this, make sure to wear your glove. Make sure to wear your glove. When you want to do this, make sure to wear your glove. It is very, very necessary. So this video is requested. That's why I'm making this video. Today I'll be teaching you guys a simple way to make your own fast face whitening face cream. This face cream is going to whiten your face within a period of 2 to 3 weeks. 2 weeks, yes, 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks you will start seeing your results. So the first thing I'll be needing in my bowl is my base cream. So when you want to make yours, you need 50 grams of your base cream. I'm calculating 50 grams of my base cream. You need 50 grams of your base cream. So here I have my base cream. I have 50 grams of my base cream here. So the next thing I'll be going in with is my glutathione injection tube. This tube is a very, very strong bleaching tube. When you want to use it for your face cream, you need to use it with caution. Just half tablespoon is what I'll be needing for this formulation. You can see this is half teaspoon. Do not use more than this for 50 grams of base cream. In case you can't get a base cream, you can substitute this base cream for your Dr. James. You can get Dr. James cream from the market, or you make a base cream yourself, and you can send a request to us. We make products in batch and we sell to wholesalers, so we can make base cream for you in big quantity, then we sell to you. So the next thing I'll be adding is my glutathione compound serum. I'll be adding just 1 teaspoon. This is 1 teaspoon. I'll be adding just 1 teaspoon of this into my face cream. Like I said, you can substitute this with your Dr. James cream if you don't have that. And if you can't find Dr. James cream, make sure the cream you're using is a mild cream. Ash cream for this formulation. What you need is a mild cream to make this, because all what I'm adding are very, very strong, and you don't want to use something too strong for your face. So the next thing I'll be needing is my Citro Clear serum. This is also a very strong serum and very cheap. So I'll be needing just half teaspoon of my Citro Clear serum. Citro Clear serum. This is half teaspoon. I'll be adding it to this. I will also be needing my magic white serum. Magic white serum. All this serum I'm using are very thick serum, very strong serum. This magic white, if you're not including it in your face cream, I don't know what you're including. I'll be adding just half teaspoon as well to my base cream. In case you can't find this, or you feel like this is too expensive, you can substitute this for your skin free make. This is very, very strong, just like the fake skin free make. I'll be reviewing this product very soon. So I'll mix this very well. This face cream that I made, this face cream, it is very, very effective, trust me. Regardless of how stubborn you think your skin is, if you use this face cream, within 2 weeks you will get your results. Within 2 weeks you will get your results. So the next thing I'll be adding is my quick clear remover serum. Quick clear remover serum. You can see it. I'll be adding just a bit as well. This is to remove any issues on the face, spots, sunburn. This face cream is going to clear your sunburn. It's going to remove your spots. It's going to clear your face. It's going to give you an even skin face. However, please do not use this in the morning. You can't use this in the morning. Even if you decide to wear your sunscreen, please do not use this in the morning, because majority of us, we apply sunscreen just once daily. Sunscreen is to be applied at least 4 to 5 times in a day. That is every 2 hours. But most of us don't know that once we apply it in the morning, we don't apply it till night again. And this is a very, very strong face cream. It's not something you can use and go into the sun. So I'll be adding just 3 drops of my tea tree oil. This is for anyone that it's also a treatment for the face. It works for pimples. This tea tree oil is going to help you eradicate your pimples as well. And the last thing I'll be adding to this is my preservative, German Plus preservative. I'll be adding just a tiny, you can see, very little quantity of my preservative. This face cream I'm making, as small as it seems, it is very, very effective. Trust me, this face cream is going to whiten, not lighten. This face cream is going to whiten your face. I am not joking, because this alone, if I didn't add any of what I had, if I added just this glutathione tube alone, anybody that has used this glutathione tube can testify to it. It is very, very strong. So adding it to my glutathione comprime serum, you know I need a very fast and effective result from it. This is very, very effective. And yet, if you can't get this, like I said earlier, you can substitute it with your skin-free milk, but the rest of it, make sure you get it. You can get it anywhere. Make sure you get it, and they are not so expensive, so you can make this for yourself. You can even sell this. Just make sure to add maybe fragrance, because this is very small. I'll be finishing it within just 2 to 3 weeks. This will be done with. That's why I'm not adding fragrance. So make sure to add your fragrance, make sure to add your preservative. Those are the 2 things you need to do before selling this out. Trust me, you can sell this out and get your money out of it, and your customers are going to love it, because it is going to give them that sharp whitening face they want within 2 weeks max. That's the maximum time I'm giving you. Within 2 weeks you will start seeing results from this face cream. So if this video was helpful, please kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, so whenever I drop a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And for my old subscriber, thank you very much for coming back. Thank you, I really appreciate you. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Peace.